Our first stop was breakfast at the Karaka Lobster Shack, the perfect way to start a day with some New Zealand crayfish. Then we headed off down the coast through Kaikoura. These are big steel nets that protect travelers from rock slides and falling debris. We fueled up in Kaikoura at one of the many self-serve automated gas stations. They are everywhere in New Zealand now. It takes a bit of working out to use them, but we never had any problems once we got used to them. The Kaikoura coast is a great ride. The roads are well kept and the scenery is awesome, with tunnels carved through the rocks and the ever-present steel nets and barriers to remind you that at any moment an earthquake could bring rocks tumbling down on top of you. New Zealand sits on a fault line, so earthquakes are very common. Help me out and like and subscribe. Help me stop YouTube from ripping me off. They are selling ads on my content. A very grateful thank you to everyone that has subscribed, almost 500 now. next stop was the Amberley pub to catch up with an old friend of mine. Then we head into Christchurch to stay with friends Richard and Jules for the night. We had a great night and got the guitars out for a good sing-along.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls living in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. Have you found